Why open source Python, open source API, and open source Gen AI agents can work together perfectly. So Gen AI agents can create text, images, code thrives, and like a human intelligent system who can do full spectrum stuff. Open source Python is one of the most programming language, and it glues everything together using something called APIs to glue different systems. So open source Python is the foundation for doing those kind of stuff. All of the machine learning and what these things are made up of is like libraries and ecosystems which are in Python. For example, OpenAI, Transformer, and Flask. So OpenAI is the big company that owns ChatGPT. Transformer is similar to OpenAI. It also does the same stuff, but it is managed by Google. And in a simple word, we can say that. And Flask is something that creates small web apps so that we can display a front end. It's like a website. So when we are non-coder and we want to delve in and build some GUI tools or use some open GUI tools, even if we are not building it, we should know the basics. The APIs are the connector, and our goal is to use open source softwares. We don't want to get ripped up by the big companies. So API allows different software to talk to each other. With APIs, non-coder can interact with Gen AI tools without writing complex code. These agentic Gen AI tools could be anything. We talked in the LLC video that they could be the CPAs, they could be the lawyers, the healthcare providers, the marketing, they could be anything. So API often come with some write-up for non-technical user as well. That's how they are evolving. If Gen AI is the brain, Python is the language, and API is the bridge, how they work together. So imagine you want to create an application that answers financial question. A developer could use Python to write a simple script connected to Gen AI models like GPT using an API and then provide you with the interface. Python handles the logic and process your inputs. The API sends input to the Gen AI model and gets the response. The AI's response is displayed back to you in a clear, human readable language. Why this matters for non-coders? You don't need to write the code for Gen AI. The tools and the platforms developers build and empower you to access the technologies with a few clicks. So all you need to do is understand these APIs. Open source Python and APIs lower cost tremendously and reduces the barrier for developers for non-coders, which means that these tools are more accessible to us. By combining these technologies, even older, less tech savvy people can harness the power of API, save money, and use API more successfully.